kata pakalima nano kara fo kuluko police station mandi ka sate o sate ndem boyta bere hani station klimawi that is deliberate abele yomoy
Assalamualaikum bademolo ngammo be kontan wato nal kontan wala be na kunkujan keta UDP YouTube channel nga update all min soto wol nga mendi alla be nga min soto ale wala mu Musa Sediti nzelam moy Musa Sedila na update do na kunkujan UDP political bureau YouTube channel
bi be seworim baake bare miro fanan jamfata dalilo miyati na miro jamfata ni kacha kumasta albe wollon nale inshallah rabbi. Yes brother alaji ala baraka baake yo bi mbenga jele on the 3rd of August United Democratic Party a convention baake in the city of Seattle, Washington, in USA. Gambia Dingulu, they flew from everywhere in the world. They flew everywhere in the world, from Africa, Europe, America, in Atabeng, in Seattle under the leadership of Sedi Cisse. But follow. And say, Dua Bake UDP la fallen hero solier. UDP la fallen hero solu. And say, Due nge remember na salolu kono, na kachalu kono, na badiyal kono nse remember baake nse duwan na patiola alfalu fanalu minuli alon ko ibe baluring ibe mfe ibe tetela ibe nyato ibe yamarla nse duwe baake under the leadership of His Excellency Honorable Ousainou A.N.M. Darboe kaji Council of Elders Kang under the leadership of Ba Ansou Sonko under the leadership of Ba Ansou Sonko nse duwe baake nse duwan na mbama nyolye minketa ajiyam seka ajiyam ndawge yabo ajisukayna ka mba adam bawolu His Excellency Honorable Ousainou Darboe la musufulolu fanal fangolu se dua baake Yakumba Jeyte wolye nga dua Binta Touré wolye nga dua Binta Senghor wolye nga dua UDP la momo sibo janke wolu mbari muso awa tambedu wolu se duwe baake na UDP muso mammilu tofu fango mbal tellema. Why UDP is party of the people. Dalila Jumala atina. Sisla, ela first comment ngal na be kala minti nak. Ela first comment. Ngalo na be kala minti. Yalo ni Manchester je ka terrify le. Imagine. Ngalo ni Manchester je ka terrify le. Bauzen be Manchester le Sisla. Wala na tombon sedi mbadi mba sambala na kota dek ibadu ro party leader is Manchester. So mamilu tofo UDP kono mbal telefon konton kan alse katu nak kolle ben United Democratic Party a formta mbenyin karo min kono 1996 sambi UDP bayla birthday soto la koteke inshallah alama en betara baluri biri UDP formta there was no sponsor wolmilia form gelomu ikumasta ka kodo la nyoka yaje Gambia ntelu mbilifta minna wala atina nin wuluta na alfalu e kan kulli yen samba sunnolto yen bulolu safe yen samba karambungolu to wala daralu to pour e kan karandi fanam pour nga kulongoke so pour mil malong nse londala yalo ni mi ye bolon kono ke ni mi ye bolon kono ke kaje e kamolu sambanu jujuoto do bolon kono kol ba fala wanato kamol samba jujuo to wanato bar modol hani tata o jujuo ni wanato ila kulongo buka wara baake alsi hekatu baake lamin jaybe o mol le kono lamin jay bar mina lamin jay la kono bar folo mbeduna UDP la tarkendin kono tarkendin doro mbunna aben camera for storm le kelma ale ka dun tel la jang kabrin kunun suto e camera storm wala be kere malum fo sis la England fana be wala nyama ba fonyo sembo war nyambak so bari mbeddu na UDP la tarkan dinne kono drom bawo birin alpha le UDP form e man sponsor soto in fact biribe UDP form la doliye la mol kumandi la koy kana mabe because famfala lo muiti ya itandiko nal mabe ta nyinto nyin sojarol milbe mararole isal be sorong wala yal be fa doliye la molu widrondi UDP be form la 1996 His Excellency Honorable Ousainou Darboe was not in present. By then, he was the Vice President, Gambia Olympic Association on Yinkono. He was in Atlanta. UDP mo jamale approach nous pour que leadership di la bari molma allow iman song. Because of the fear. Amanke ko mambanko kanu de bari silata iniola. We sacrifice who? His Excellency Honorable Ousainou Darboe. Ya contact. He was outside. Anata itandiko mbe mbatu ninata nganna mol consult. A consultation okay. A very touching story famofo. Ako bira nata abitala purkala mol ka consultation okay ana badingulu. Moya approach jara soma ako hani biya bu kanyina wala wonata kay ko telom Ousainou Darboe da kay kana molu jamfa and saying this word is in his head kay kana molu jamfa ako je famoto amang futala mol la ka consultation o ke bari je famoto ate found that mala consent ala mind made because of that man la approach mbafala baw sene abaraka baki so biriya UDP form iko sign tapan so dum bar jumal la ya form because ye PPP ban ne ye NCP ban ye GPP ban. PPP was His Excellency Sir Dawda Kairaba Jawara. NCP was His Excellency Sirif Mustafa Diba. GPP was His Excellency Andrews Kamara, Hassan Musa Kamara. B. Nilul Mantra Baluri. Nilul Mantra Baluri. Alinga duwe nemo nin kafarola. So biriye party of form. Kode table. Nothing absolutely. Ekobari party of bukatano fengo koma. For the start, ikumasta kela kodo landi basoka. Nimiye Dallas tango sota landi basoka. Nimiye kemo sota landi basoka. Nimiye wulikilin sota landi basoka. Thank you. Mr. Michael Jatta. We are not concerned whether URR has 1 million voters or they don't have 1 million voters. URR is part of Gambia. UDP Mobukela tax dealer. They have no business how they get their money. Is the citizens who want to salvage the country. To salvage the country. Let the people of URR join UDP to salvage the country. Niamo ibe salo fankela no jama to Cairo le Bangkok. Yalo ye asafele no ngalai, but you are becoming too much. As if you are trying Kamoli intimidate because of Barrow is from URR, so UDP be kodole use la URR kang to get the people of URR. I'll tell be bata amin kono je jumala be okono. You people are swimming inside Allah silol beketa rivati. So niamo ebe salla Cairo lebe Bangkok. Obviously, niamo ebe salla Cairo lebe Bangkok. Yala aliyamira ko dino muminta alman dino long. Alman dino long freng. Ali alfam keko momo e wuli ntelenga moli je janne ikata kombo ika jamao la planol muta jamam planol akatare bulo kono ikoy kata jamal lol lela ikoy kata ikata misiru lol lela ikoy kata karambul lol la ya fake lom. URR should join the people of Gambia to rescue Gambia. It doesn't matter. Hani yarna sadamu sadality. Jamao is a blessing. It's a house of blessing. Bari alay kuma dantane fode yalo niman dino loy malo ala ko ni domoro lota konko bela salwato sita ko e domoro ke follow. You know that? Akoni salwato sita domoro lota konko bela domoro. So purisalo wanyama nita malo. And ito fango e ka spell nyami intel Gambia intel buka Jatta spell thing. In Gambia we don't spell Jatta like this. Intel buka Jatta spell in Gambia like this. Malum foi mu Senegalese Gambian ultiba I don't understand because yes ate o min fango fo jay ko malum sutukunding malo be damim fo kantoralom fo wulilom fo muntolom. But the people of Basse, we remember you, we cherish you, we celebrate you people. So if you want a better Gambia, isaje Cairo etra jamaoto momo tata jamaoto yes sali fo salo wato mindiate yela wato bekeje ye dua Cairo le kawo sabuna Kairate Gambia. So let the people of Basse join Gambia to rescue Gambia. Okay, Mr. Jatta. Thank you very much. Abaraka. Seri Pabo nge kontom bake, tida nge kontom Sister Jare sana nge kontom bake. Okay. UDP is sita ba Amadou Sane ala kodo bonda ya landi ba Alaji Modou Sane ala kodo bonda ya landi ba Lamin Dambondi ba ala kodo bonda ya landi Aji Am Seka ala kodo bonda ya landi Aji Am Ndaw Yabo ala kodo bonda ya landi baso kan bangan sundin ketawol ba Job Kantewol aja jambandi wolu ndesan Allahu akbar ndefango bama Sadio Kunjan Sane wolu Abu Karamba wolu yela nafulo bondi domandingo mimbe bulu yalandi yanin arab albaraka ke iko mbe nyim min bondi la mbake la nyim patiyo la koto alama nyim patiyo barakala iko alama nyim patiyo barakala Alaji Eba Jallo Sane wolu thank you very much Nkoroma lamental may their souls rest in perfect peace minule alon ko de baluringa baraka bake aja Fati yela kodolu landi comme momi yalon ka manta juju oto de mbe wole pour ka wole hakilo bulandi Lamin Ndiaye pour danko dron ese history lon doman din munamu UDP ti bari wo kono businessman wol sotota minuli ya lonko ima hani ka finti ibe maborin ila fita silan kanaka dende UDP la kela man nafulo dundi UDP kunto UDP koy hani nalbe nafulo dundi la UDP kunta be Sénégal pour Lamin Ndiaye bawete man ta kasewoto yaje alsi hakadude because Lamin Ndiaye ila kobe tambikan we know ko say you are in America go and work on your asylum tena asylum procedures ke because hania 5 years visa lo soto America you are entitled to stay for 6 months and go out yes you can come back but you need to go out ni overstay America forget it let me tell you that yes ntelibe ni visa le nata tubabudu birin nata expire we seek asylum yes go and seek your asylum make your asylum procedures so birin kebal ko ngani kodo nafulo min lande alama nyim patio barakala alama wo mari dingol mil botantel bala yen keta nyim patio to Allahu akbar bi Umar Fati le Aja Fati le Jare Sane le tida mintele nte Musa Sedi le Sisla Jadama le Sana Jaju le Yankuba Dabo le Talib Bensouda le Roy Malik Lo le Landin Sane le ñi bela alfal benu UDP le Abubakar Sidiki Jammeh le Pata PJ le Mboj Sedi Kan le Bob Touré le Mafode Cham le Aminata Ba le ñi bela alfal benu UDP le ñilla alfal biri pareta bungo kono ye duake pareta e fintita molkan ye kuro ki alfal ye sate kono banko beka e ko de ha nga patiyole lo bari jawarala duño beje kon se patiyo ñillo na ñaton ko ala natan dema mbenta ka loya dabole tambindi bara man banko kan bari biringa kumo futandi sa Dawda Kairaba Jawarama in fact amandan ka foko sign normalie mo tombo bara ko alta noma kana kanalla anata letaro le lawo ka hadi oje jallola oje la fo den tema wol letaro je bar oje wolef Jumaro Usenu Daboti is a barrister, is a solicitor, a constitutional lawyer. former Solicitor General during Jawara's time, and he resigned. He resigned. RESIGNED. He resigned. Why? Because he said there was a lot of corruption in that government. Jawara, you are a good man, but there is a lot of corruption in the government. Lawyer Dabo ako ate do ko kenola wo nyama. Chamam believe corruption. So biri bota o meeting odo ye kuroki banko be kan kaytandi banko dingol la kaytandi lalu molla kaytandi majlis solla kata sirif kundalto kadum banku din kendolu kan imanjutu ka foko karimu murun tewleti ifutata murun tewlu malaka bunya foye ala ye mo miliyalon kay lanjuro le kan ala ma bondika afutata ifutata fuaro luma imajube ko itela bungo kono basole bijeye ifutata fuaro luma iko bari alingan keku fankamal tode katum la fita nyimu fuaro la patiole ti banku dimul la patiolo mu ni fankamalu nate laftela nafulo dunaje lafta la nyami telu lafta ntel lafta silo minna askeno tel mala fo silo la isentel samba sila doka iko hani ni momo bela kodo dundila je mu businessman o lafta la senea munati nebe kodo dundi kanja la ko ko je inata futa marché wol biri ya fo mbamali dolu be panketu wa fol dolu ye kanjolu landi dolu ye netatu wolu landi yela kufo fonko nafa nafa ya yele dolu yela fan couple fring because ka kodo ke wolto ya city dalasi lulu dalasi kaytolu dolu fanka woledi dalasi kaytolu dolu ka woledi 10 dalasi nimi ye 10 dalasi o di fango ikete jubele ko nyi ko di bale di jam $10. This is how UDP registered their party. Lamin Jai, mbe sindi la baso kan ngemurundi kasewoto. Puru ke sindi wanato kantarlali na ye kulongo foye. Ite tulu na nyinke balade. You insulted our people yesterday. Yaje ila alfa kendo letin telte wolu nenna. Ye Gambia je momo be nyim punchum panchamala abuta alfa kendo bala wala nante alfa mu nogo area le tin te kuma fola wolma bari ta mum fulawol ti dol sege isike no dol do ma di dole ke kototi so mbaytan lelal ko ni te birita tata ni te manta jujuoto mbe murund la nan jujuoto le la minin jaay ha mbe murund la nan jujuoto le so this is a culture in UDP. Just a brief history of UDP. Purkawo Foye. How UDP is up to today. We are not the richest political party in the Gambia, but we are the most moral party in the whole West Africa. Purkawo Foye, bro. Morality is in that party. Munabe Jarela Aminata Baye to pay a flight of less than $800 or even more than $800. She flew over how many hours to the Seattle, Washington pour kada fundraising. You want to downplay that? Munebe jarela mbari mso mimbota France. Ani mimbota Switzerland. Ani milbota na Africa. Milfawol be America J. They are working to put food on the table. Doliela awasol le cancel wolum. They said, let's go and salvage our country. Let's put what our fathers and mothers tell us to do. Dirinte bama ka dalasi lulo landi. Do bama ka dalasi tango landi. Do bama ka dalaso landi. Ye muy yamaro min dintel la wolo nyintiko. political party on nata nga toñale jeje nga sobe yale jeje nga ni tenkungole jeje nga bankola kanoni bankola nyato tale jeje altel mil mun dingoti laftali ya bula nyilunoma ngoy bismillah ntalla kango sosola bara aliya kumo folo min nal ko toña kan ngoy bismillah ntalla kumo sosola je ndel fanal nyaay na men wo politiko kono ngani alpha kallanke wala je nyaato ngani alpha kallanke wala je nyaato ni alpha sobewol ndella alpha li min fo nyenna kuoto nata fenje je fangete le min tu koma je nkonga bula wolu noma be kuo kuto mbe woleto iman nantel tuje nse kulo mbali ya kuo be kela alse katude nse kulo mbali ya kuo be kela ibe tetela ibe yamarla ibe kuma kendo be fola molem tulo ba moyla UDP dingule wuli iko nga min taram fallu nga min taram balla mbe wolle jo seyla yela kodolu la nyoka ye minke in America minke the father of the night is my biological uncle Ansu Sonko na biological uncle la manke unextended today mbasi mane alkanyi mbasi mane minje UDP mbasi mane mbambasi ndelka fayla mbambasi ndo malum abuluba hawa sonko mba hawa sonko mbalum abe maberi mbengo nyindu abiye. So the father of the night had made me a proud nephew and a UDPian. Ansu Sonko. Not biological uncle. My father is a very good friend. No, my Muna Fati of my father is a patito on this isla. GMC. My father is a good friend of my uncle. What do you want to attack him? Yes, Byro. So Sontela Alpha Letata J. They make me proud. You know how many people Minulia Lonko Itata Nyindulato. Let's say Sariam Marom. Saria UDP Ketale. Fatoumata Jomma Kamara. Ay UDP Ketale. But ikafengo Ketale ni aje ko tonyati je se bono atole kodi bari nga tonyale je amanke dina tide. But UDP is a moral political party. It's not a rich party. It is rich in morality. It is rich in ethics. It's a symbolic party in the region of West Africa. Nganyim kumo mo jamale kafo. But I supported Mbemo Killing single out Lajan to support that person. Sena Bumbay Lundolo ma fintita. Ngaje is it ngaje nung TikTok or real something like that. She was talking about Fenke Samba, Fat Samba, Alamani Monin Kafaro Kelai. Sorry, Pa Oz. I do not want to remind you of your trauma. But Fat Samba is Gambian Fat Samba. Senambaya kuma killing for ako. Gambians don't celebrate their people until they perish. This is true. Go. You see this Hussein Udabo? It's an icon. It's a legend, living legend. Nimi Malom, Altala Alfal Yininkade, Walatina, do not go aggressive on Hussein Udabo because Munom, mo jama bi je ayla alfal rescue le. He's a lawyer. The lawyer who will not defend you ni tonya table. Kafuko droiba jola kodola aye defend no. The lawyer who would never defend a drug cartel. Some lawyers are happy for drug cartel later because they pay them a lot of money. They pay them a lot of money. This man is a very sincere and ethical man. He's not greedy. And tell you, we will never leave him to walk alone. Yes. We will never let him walk alone. So, the UDP Diaspora Fundraising Committee, under the leadership of Bob Toure, Mba Tentula Bake Mba Jaila, Anala Molube with the deputy Aminata Bakani, Anila Molube, brother MB Kurubali. We have seen Yekulu Minulke. We have seen how professional they did the thing. Jali Seattle nsaten tubake ngajai. A UDP T-shirt was sold for $500. This is a souvenir. Mbafala aja jomaiko. Nyin T-shirt o taya sakila bungo kono. Ni sake no frame kono frame. Ake frame kono ya sakila bungo kono. It's a souvenir. Aja Joma doesn't buy this T-shirt pour kafuko abadu nale. Aminata Ba bought it for $200. She doesn't buy that T-shirt kafuka abadu nale. $200 if she goes to Chinatown in New York. Aminata Ba would have carried 3 suitcases full of suitcases with T-shirts. These are souvenirs. I'm going to talk to her. Mbafulai ko taya ke fonko kono frame kono ayke souvenir ti la bungo kono. Don't wear it. It's souvenir. Ila dingolu have to see what Aminata Ba have done for the country. This is a part of your history, Sister Aminata Ba. Alima. Arela oke sutunum. Ayebusi nala sa ngawole. Nfangola alim. Sa yo guys segu yo kutunala. Segu marena. Nibe futala loya sisla jada mayale. Inshallah rabbi. Sisla mundella loya. Alda loya nyinola. Malal be loya juma barista sisla. Wo mundella loya. Ngal kondo way alima e family be kondo nyaman. So the UDP diaspora executive I can't total the sign. The UDP diaspora executive Mbal Tentula Bake Mbal Jaila under the leadership of Mbocheri Khan. Thank you very much, Tida Caesar, for the reminder. Enila Caesar Kundanga Yabe. Yeah, Caesar, so you will not take the challenge because Alima is your sister. You see? Caesar, no. Mbela loya lansino mba for a maribaroya table. Thank you very much, Sister Tida Caesar, Jenaba Mas. Motola katakuo underestimate nola UDP kono. Sister Geneva Mas is just Geneva Mas. Mo bela Geneva Mas with the wallahi. The UDP executive in all fanal tentu bake niaje mbe bawsenu mba fala ko wuli ke ba ka wuli ndala dimba ya koto sisla recent again ka wuli ndala dimba ya koto I play nota I na America anala dimba ya koto ke miliboko Bamba Tumbali Ahmed Suda Landin Sane Fartu Fenke Jabi min bota nang passé sisla yo
Sa,
na
akalin din ko dong, you know? Kaya mo na UDP platform.
bare
Nimbida France po. Nimbida France, nimbida Arsenal din ko sa nadabo. Yung asa mga presento, laba dun. Mabon naman yan.
no bare baro Arsenal le dabo da
Mabon na. Bila, wala malakan niyo ko yan. Wala siya. Wala talang tataraja. Yan dia mo tarala ko na ako pindahin.
ya amantara Arsenal fam birin dabo ko be Manchester on ra ko bar ngata Arsenal
Manona Arsenal, you know? So amin na naka Arsenal to masuport lang.
exactly anil lamin sadamol
Ako lang nila, no? Man, masabi pila programa ba interesting niyo kung makendol may fokante.
very much thank you
Wala na musa 19 normal be mati la Facebook o yung flag bearer ko yan tataten ko. Musa niya yung genau mas nyo amin ra banyo kami kay patio eh. Ibe daring. Ito yung mga kaumo la Facebook. Yung flag bearer no offense dia mo le. But amin ra banyo this is the second time. Aba UDP la fonko attend la.
in one
Yeah. Obiaro na ko European kada America is not easy.
it's not easy no
So, you know, General Mas dinana da UDP la wala General Mas ka ko do bonde mo be yalo you know.
terrible
Abuka diam. Kita jelo in Facebook no sense diam wala you know. So wala na you know in do ke no be nin social media diam wala ten talibule mu tiang ko wala mu na ke fango di rohile na flag berati eten ala fo eten ko.
wallahi
UDP party or the party with the principle. Tolong awal tera yung alpha la, yung congress ide mentombo nga bulano ka.
ma wallahi
Bulano ma. Ani honte bul dawo fanga fola, tita fanga impose la molka. Yung mol mandafa.
nene mawo
Ano na mo okay, mo biaro neko. So sometimes I get pissed off because nkaje la ko imang loa dawo ima respect.
ma respect wallahi
No, because lumena fama kerfado I interview ka kerfado. I see lot of people. The comment was disgusting.
yeah
Ito ko la nyatong ko ito ko mo mula nyatong ko la party leader. Obe interview la fa be comment la Talib is gonna be the best leader Talib yanks ni
wallahi
what kind of ito ko yung mari respect
Wala.
call him your party leader
Talib ni Yankuba
Huh?
wala ko indile ko
Ode ako indila ko
hello nam fama
exactly
you know
You know?
it's crazy
you know what I mean iba in congressman fon kita siatul de kaje dolbe Talib sia dolbe indo sia iba indo sia what ito actually kami party click
wallahi
division na fela mo la party ro le party me alam ko boy party alfal
be kanyu mbeke be celebrate mbeke be la yeah you know
Exactly. And all in the kake, you know. Better be one UDP, touch one, touch all.
wallahi
You know. But there are few people in this party, many along with the fact division on nothing, but I don't want to work. We will never allow them.
inshallah ate wokla
You know, among the UDP cut. A UDP then Nicole Dum, but among the UDP cut. Now contra man they will all vote. And men can take cover. In outside al kambe, eka camp. Eka union UDP culture. Moment yalon ko anana mala fi UDP anana la fi moment ka ko mala fa la nyaron ko la nale abon lembe you know it ayu
Billah.
like sometimes mo sanka kam fa you know
No, it's disgusting there.
you know mo fonka lo ka fale ko mala fa la nyaron ko way mo na means be yalon ko mala ne ko mala fo am jara ngata auto ba be yalon you know yeah so atol nol kana tenke musa nyaya talib kala talib tibi
Yeah.
UDP ndolla kati.
Ah,
Yangs Davo the same thing.
afa wala.
Rohi Malik lo the same thing. Ite campaigno nyela meo karre fa brasi dan tolle campaigno men kanyende ite you know. So wala nante nte Yangs kali Rohi o nte sila la mola o ngamal mola katonya fo.
Wallahi ngo malo me
Because you are not paying my bill. Ndala ka campaigno kale ku nga campaigno kale yalla alla campaigno time o. So itol ya ko in lako they are not problem but men be no men ke funk man ko itol be in campol different campol they are the problem.
They are the problem.
Yes, and we see them on social media. So nga ko yes somebody.
But ni ala kititala this is going to be a very good opportunity for every UDPian.
Yes.
In forming the caring, it will unify UDP. You know how?
Yes.
Sisla. Wallahi. Ninkeba. Alna bula no maba. Yalon de bukala kumo be for la social media because you ini mode tarla kelola e kala mistake of fire.
Yes.
It's going to be an eye opener for him.
Yes.
Mimbe caring Gambia B. Wallahi problem to UDP. Alhamdulillah, UDP dingol sotota.
No problem to you. Yeah. Men social media to only kind no social.
Presidential candidate. Musa said is the presidential candidate. Jare Sanes presidential candidate. Modo skeno presidential candidate. But party dol kono wolma woso.
Yes.
Nyimu ala tentu balati de. Bari bi mbe bi minto bi. Problème o mimbe NPP wallahi ni ngol yallo ndelu bendela problem to you problem
but Musa problem be MPP nyanya
ha
very rare MPP ngol yena social media kanyo attack
ibu kanyo attack no
hani wa follow la audio le ra finde bari kana social media to control ba ke kanya wante UDP you know it's not right.
Exactly.
It is time we make a stop on it.
Yaje Sisla, yes sir. Wala na Bausenu is a legend. Bausenu lota ko. Okay, Sisla ferenda jolonda. Bausenu ko ako Yankuba Dabo, chairman Yankuba Dabo e kumalefo. Ako chairman Yankuba Dabo ko. Don't steal, don't lie. This is the mantra of UDP. This is the motto, the new motto of UDP. And this has been in UDP's manifesto. Because Yankuba is a bona fide UDPian. UDP yellow like a bora balajato kono. Yankuba Dabo. He said this. But UDP call kawata, ikapare kenyo UDP ko castigata la kununga modo leje tole olo mwoti ba mtemalo Umar Bun. Itenente baby party killing. Thinking that that's supposed to be directed to Barrow and his cartels. Ngamire tanyanda kontan na wala. Ikana iko support lenyini. Iba fola ba sonko iko. Hai moli nenyi nadjane. Wa intenga nyimfo. Afelentu usenda abokote. You see the prematureness of some of the people. Wala tinante nteni UDP nkodu se loba nkonka nyole sababa. For what purpose? A UDP? No, I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't go so low to do that. But Sisla be kuma arimbara kono. Sisla okay. You call
sorry, you know.
Back again. Oh, it's okay. You back again.
Yeah, so all of problem we have to na mo leven tekang, you know. Amantara right double fintra na diamuta. Ofo nyanta UDP kono fa momo ko ite party on kan ye double respect. You know, you can stop. So it's okay for Kwani Campol men, which Mbialon ko Campol Mansoro UDP. And there will be no camp in UDP. Nimenke Vonene or Nave Bulje, Camp Tara UDP. And it all enough for 2026. If a dream and let the dream continue. It will Ajam Sekadiam Dalako, Dabo is our candidate.
Exactly.
And Dabo is our candidate. So it is time, Yaudun de Kono Berinsai, Dabo let presidential candidate 2026. Nime malafi wala. Ite façon patiolo. E lafta mel lon da tambi.
That's it. That's
But
it.
a real UDP cow. A real
Biara ka choose Congress ole to.
yes.
Now what ita they will choose the flag Biara. Ni modo ya jeko ye Musa arati UDP sonta Musala unanimously. Ita ma ita la be UDP bulala bar Musa o de UDP bulala.
Exact. A real UDP cow. A real UDP cow te UDP bulala.
No way. No way.
Many UDP la deni ko do ye famo many UDP la fatarol. Ya ko ka UDP ko da ninka UDP la deni ko do is different.
Wallahi.
It's different Musa.
Wallahi.
Yes. And abakwela 2026.
Inshallah Rabbi.
We are watching. So ntebe for rek. It will let them continue what they are doing. Nima la fika stop man da respect. Because Kajale Katara Safron Melda, I now be interview like Kerfado for I see a lot of disrespect comment from our own UDPians.
Yeah.
You know, Talib is the leader. Who told you that Talib is gonna be our flag bearer? Who told you that youngster is gonna be our flag bearer? Who told you that Roy is gonna be our flag bearer?
Wallahi. Very unfair.
You know?
Wallahi.
Ikaje ni youngster project ko fenge men be ke fong wan talib la kample ko son ka sia be yang son la fong ko to namin you know it's disgusting man
ridiculous. Yankuba Dabola Dogo is a good name for UDP. Momo be kala UDP la fongo be Yankuba Dabo reference la bi Yankuba Dabo mbenga je janne nyinko Yankuba Dabo minketa.
Yeah.
Yankuba Dabo paid scholarship for students.
Exactly.
Fire jo UDP called neighbor.
Exactly.
Did he call ko nimbe scholarship for dila mola? It has to be a criteria ko itenyanta UDP la membership card or so. Aliya lon ne Yankuba Dabo scholarship for the NPP dindi jella.
I know.
You know, so UDP in Telubenna Seo Bunne, what we need to do is that ko nyantale dorong nga Cairo sabatin in the maulu tema.
Exactly. But disrespect nga chebal na diga sol nga ke disrespect on media.
Disagree tale.
Yes.
Agree. But woman yanati nan la ko nga fitino soto because woma tinan la fananko nte Musa ninta ko lafita Mustafa Susole la that doesn't mean ko sisla manke mo kendoti hani that doesn't mean that so mimbi je wolom nyinti ko nte la flag biara sip 2021 womu lawyer Usenu Dabolete and he is the party leader so 2026 ni procedures sita the same procedures molbita wala whoever become the flag bearer until UDP dingul babula wala noma and we going to campaign
some of these people they are stupid because Talib make it very clear according to Lora. So when you keep fighting
okay mana cham UDP is not the solution. Who is the solution now? This is why we are bringing this discussion. You can also send join for Gambian Koleko. Who is the solution? Who is the solution here? So I think Joe Farms, that one, the privacy, you never know until a document will be done. You don't know.
Usa. No, nako ke la kadiso na venyo kanyare na kewa.
No, but
akoto bolas kanso ya kaza. Akadisto
soro. You
know. Anafa me das mo anafa masoro. Ya kaza. Nako abula yala kambula atahi mola. We can ona enkol mavla manna.
Yeah, who solution? You can join, come in. Al-Kagamabo, we are talking about Gambia. If you want a change, I was engaging with one guy. Na mokende balum Gambia.
Yeah.
The UDP la. But bi somanda na be diamola. Mbe fenne diamuka. Akonyo ko Musa jambe nyaming is too terrible. Nkai ko mbe minkela nginang
alkal loya dabo bal carte wala al malo because inate mim fal tele kal akonyo ko bar this time ndel be boy kato di la UDP la because munom akonyo nyim banko be nyam banko man tata ku kam molu mbe molle fasa kan itele be famo enrich kan ndel be fa kam foire yala because aka metro minke akonyo ko ninga cash power san ikanyin nangam le bondige ngay ko ikamano sanjel muna ni tara loptani ka jararo sotor ba ko hani ngay fo baro
exactly musa after every fan kan tek kampa musa ika finale da wot ga tek ni man kata fa UDP Gambia sofa UDP da ma sofa
thank you do ya na ko man
Gambia sofa
$20,000 aba
yeah 2021 bra ni 2021 mbotala jwala be kumbo fa UDP da ma la kumbo
thank you
you know so ni ka diamu yak let them kata ya di barola 2026 who cares dolla party leader is Lawyer Darboe no ku yata me ye ko fa you know so ni me lafte la kata ya di barola ni Gambia ni baro kanyeta Gambia be sofa not UDP
exactly
you know maybe kumbo la Marcelo da man ka UDP ngat so bankola bata na UDP da maka so ni la fe kata ya di barola that's their problem. But it's a follow it na ikafon to leko aljanta metongo la party leader you know you are it's a man trying to la party ko la faka design to la party who are you
what they can in their ideas bari ibakela hormone mbunyala kono etente lakke ba
no they cannot even they have no right to say that musa mental la party ko
exactly
you know
ngo min fama biye
you know yeah
quality be momo baletel kamin be foko min sikeno UDP la presidential candidate wol be o quality karal Lawyer Darboe
UDP do le fa right to cover to outside me e ko man la party on e ko man ke du di da dundi mo la leaders ita ko man la fi UDP ha sa ita ka mo le fenga bisin to la party netamente mo
yalo ila ftale kanda mawlu distract kanda andi nyola andum domandi be succeed la wala
yeah
yo ya ngoy madam Cissé moyle ago subo 1 kilo meat and bone $450 dollars $400 $450
cement ba ko ngama say ko 500
wolu ngadi ngamole je ay fenne bondi num Facebook
so cement ba ko for you divin ko damal ka bungulo Gambia
thank you
you know, they are very stupid sometimes you know because me live diamo
ay fenne bondi num on Facebook
yeah
sa Dauda Yaya Baro ay mburo ay is it $3 ay mburu ko bonde ay mburota fo sa Dauda Yaya ay fo $5 le landi ay mburu ko ta anata fo Baro ay $10 so landi e kay ko handi $12 lom e $12 so landi this is a very very educative fonko video ay minke woto because ni
my sister ko ako cemento 550 you know
550
I don't see so yeah
just crazy nita nyanta bungo lola ita nyanta bungo lola bungo mi ya lonko nyanta 6,000 blocks la use la a bag of cement is only $550 $1,000 ita be ba cement boto killing na shotla auto $1,000
exactly
so ita nyanta anu ni lafta cement kendola block kendo because bunjam blocko different inches long ita lafta block kendola kalafle one bag of cement at least ya for ko maybe manafi more than 25 blocks la ni lafta par time people will go for maybe 40 blocks with one bag of cement ni hani e bloko chikaraka be tay ita ko be bungolo la wol
exactly ani kamera so UDP damala bungolo kan Gambia ko
thank you mo jamala bullo lotal baro na ni baro bina bullo la sai Muhammad Jabe cemento maybe 2,000 bag of cement aba fandila moto ko na sambaye wo 2,000 bag of cement Muhammad Jabi na wo koloni wo profito be bon laltel Gambia dingul le court
exactly
del foirol court because munom ika president so cemento la ya so kenyola ya so basalla ya so berola ya so rotola ya so femo bela but ite la nyantam bunno ka tara sulen kan e kan fang bungo kono you don't even have ite buka hanin wa kalo fang so no be min lalaka wa
e ko kata bula barol no e ka support
ikata bula barol no
yeah well fang be sofa kan you know nsa
yo yaje sise kunangol itel particular to domoro la Gambia nak o subo kilo fonye segu sise fanam fela ko today I come across a video fees cost of $12,000 to $14,000 is sad which average Gambian can afford that segu mba fole ko tanje na kilian balle be oto ndamin ka diamte ni tanje nkolu na kilian balle bije andu dol beje e kan jubele ni atam be fan yara fola ja nde ni dada Gambia every 2 or 3 days nkata nye sangola badato nsafo every week nkata nye sangola tanje badato tanje
yeah
ninga foye sisla ete belief la nena nga nyewo san tanje nata birim ko namuso ko ngani nangam le sak I don't want to say the ngam min san nyola mol sita mira fallo mbalialo bar birin kay ko ngani ne san nyola he was kind of angry ngai hanide ngai dingole en sandal because ntenga nyewo san ne fom pareta ndada moto bar birimbe findila birimbe bola moto kono ngakodo do bondile ngake na moto la kapeto koto bar yar fan dingo engel sislan tata nga nyewo san muso na tamba indi fo moto ko nyambaringe itambitan tela itata nyewo san dulado ngai ko tonyalo mun ngai ntambita moja mala man nyewo san dulabero ngai ko hako boindinye bar nga nyewo san oreda ko nyoko ntede ni mamma ko ya felenti so kuta domor fante ya it was so touching so sad
because you can see Marcelo sometimes when Kylian bukana yeah
domor fante ya lafta nga nyi nyewle wafu
yeah
mfana ngata tabiro ke suoko anka bar ntenga nyewo san mufta nadin sugudo natan ayensa ay batle de fombota musobala ko baba ko nyana akonye ko do mintu mo roko no
yeah
ngago ha bar nga nyewo san already akonye ko ha bar baba ni na nyewo san nte balo fa
yeah I feel you know yeah
billahi ay ni na foj ngago ay moto chabo di ala dada because ajala nga ko do kedam arara ko mamuso nyini nkafang ila nyobe mu jal ntanga ko do be nkon ndingo ka bi adia ay ko do nyimbe muso ni yesa multa ke fonko kon wallahi birin sey rasu ko non muso go ngani nangam le sanya she was kind of angry because I feel ko ndara ko di tinyawol bar birin nga explain ay ga ko nye wo betato
yeah Pastor kasi Marcelo le kada kasi Marcelo le fostilo boy buka wa
fostilo boy buka fe soto no
yeah it's sad man so Gambia
nimfuta na because nintata nika kachaba ni tata je na hanabe wandi nye wasala sola na nyainge akanala akala fongol fay na foko na ko tego kana bi mo because na cliano lo long time na meta nyobul atel kan na ñew be topoto abu kan caaj tous freng abu kan caaj fenna you know
sister ya abis na be France na kena France na be
Gambia musolu iba katakang so
musa na partner in crime lam ya abis
anga
twin sister na twin bakaw sister lam
fo man de nak ya abis wo mun te damal la sister
no na twin solam na twin partner in crime
adela ka fa bu butongo lo ni fa
ay jaw fa bu wala nak na sister
Sister, UDP is the solution because UDP fuaro lela na fulo dundi UDP kundo iko alama barako kela na nying patriote fuaro Yaya Jammeh, how many times was my lawyer Dabo approach to get him in his government? Lawyer Dabo Yaya Jammeh la first Justice Minister Yaya Jammeh min nominate. Amanson. The same lawyer Dabo resigned from Sadauda Kairaba Jawarala government as Solicitor General. The same lawyer Dabo Sadauda MC Chamle Kiakang Akaiko lefta ya diama lefta kela Anthony Generality, Minister of Justice. Radabo Manson. Atata la private practice ke. Ite mune quality je Talib Bala, Yankuba Bala, or whoever ite kam ngomofo lo adabo man quality min soto. Ikana nyaku nin talakano lade. This is the man.
It's even disrespect to say that, from our own UDPians, Yeah.
But I said, good afternoon, guys. Musa and Sisla, I agree. You all, no one go to the market right on your UDP. Thank you, sister. Whatever, nde baloka fa Gambia mkole bake. And Sisla, yalon ten nde dara Gambia. What would you be doing? Intercandiul Sambanos. Ninda believe for a Gambia Namus of Garanos. Intercandiul, get Chikange Sambanos. And Nufranos. Sisla Bilai Musol Milbenos, they give me chance. Put Dr. Lienge, no soul ending only. Wallahi. Musol, yeah, it okay, cut with not like Jandroy, Dingle Nat, Young Alafal Kemalina. Alaf Alman time was on Alial Dingle delay, someone. So, Ngata Marcel, Nenata Marcel. Oluna musoka be supale tabila na doma do tata je sai wobe America. Ntata Marcel serekunda. Yoso mo be Joshua. Yeah. Sisla birum futata Marcel super wolo ko ako super. Super bagasol sang. Nga fongol sa. Sonko mbadunga tulise nimbe tulise sana rek nga okay 5 liter bidon. So Sisla
ya dafa nita maso de ko Adam Barrow ita mo la ko be samusa ñew ka di
concliano be mo yalla de ba so tenin ko wala nan tane Adama te benno la because
Musa Barrow fo dia kate ka $150,000 boy a day
Gambia taxpayer bala faale soto
Gambia taxpayer ko hanija ko hanija UK jam Buckingham Palace fam bu ko don it's more than 3,000 pounds
amam bala faale soto because munon problem odi mune anna biri lawyer Dabo benu vice president yala ya fay ko anyanta 5 mbinda no le soto la andu ya itandi ko nyanta la clothing allowance kala le nyanta nyala akwa mansula bela
yala way boke kamsa yala way yok ila taka pa bi nyi nondi ala ko ata nondi la
bara man sonde
why ye ko be try pour ka nondi but ala ko ata nondi la yala ala ko moment no la no matter no te ni evil plans will be try lo da ko ka nondi Musa
nte bi ning min diamuta comme malaf kala siofo bari alhamdulillah rabbil alamin wallahi ayen asola ko nyoko Musa akonyo ko tonya lawyer Dabo ko nyoko mori nyanta chance di la sa nkai ko alnya chance di ala because munon problem mo mune yatinna sanji tan saba mo klimo be fen nyini nal bulu barala opponent ol nene ma fali ko ay corruption ol ke amambete ka kuma kli ka ole dundal tulo kono rek aliota altel be min fe wala min be banko sambala nyata ko nyako ha a kalita nya ko nginan del bebe carte o
Musa hani ma di Dabo fon la last time la way mu na kalfa la fon ko rako ni ma dia la Alifa Sallah be ya di Alifa Sallah ni ko banko la je
exactly
why you got vote Alifa Sallah
exactly pale lota jande Halifa ko ako ate fon la supportal le ka fate ko tonya last time man carte o dila because zilatal ni nga dila num lo ya Dabo be gagner la ngadi baro
look at that asidia
very
ndeta sodla do fanan kana soto banko ti ay man kaya bari be ko kanje ndaka wala foy UDP dama bugata marché
Alifa was ako is an insult.
Yeah, it's an insult.
Ninga carte di teranum lo Dabo be gagner la wala tinanga di barola andum baro was not their choice tel ko baro man bete a baro mano berbi wala ko imagine
nyaje non UDP sol mi alan ko outside le bina Facebook ba fala ko ha tal to mora yang stombo yaje na UDP dingol fon nyato
dingol
le tendem
exactly
yala mod nete ya Musa ka foy ko ali nyinga imagine nyato No, so mo tente ay ka fonya ko alwa da mo to yala mo fa ci te si bolo ita ma ka UDP kati e kan de ka fonya ko al nyanta men fen kala pa
Wallahi.
la jela image but yal na mul fa la ke entertain
Operation le kumasi
yeah
operation oto mbede fa da dundi la je mbe mo jama da dundi la ko kono le sisa jare wolu mo jamalu mbe mole normala mi ya lonko alhamdulillah mbe nga kata bake nay nyomoy nga make sure ko nga fana natina on board patio Gambia dimul be tara ko kilingo kundo wala mu Essa Bokar Si nga sambana nga diamai bankola intereso because kunu ngala interview la moy andunte mala kin follow wallet
and King Jovis New York City nga fa la fe UDP King dañ la esi UDP the King
Dagora
na ko to kele na King Jovis
no Jovis is a sound guy.
It's a true shooter. I like him, you know. Yeah.
He knows for the country. He lives in this state, so he knows what is for the country. You know, I say so no me for UDP ma. Sisla Jadama, Jumale Neneba Folako, you've seen Musa on the social media, not all social media malabe molu nenka.
Nobody.
So when wala niko UDP kan nendro, nko UDP kan nendro min for UDP ma. Wolo mi ka tonya minfo because nin tonya le kan dimi
exactly
ikamolu so do Gambia mbele be kala kilingoti we fought because banko already have a criminal law and
ne ka tonya fo ya remember no before long time ago ela sister Fatou Camara
ha
akon talam kif insulted in you doesn't ka tonya la ya ni ka tonya fo ka vole ko nyun ka mole ne
ibuka mo ka tonya
tonya keso tonya fo nga tonya fo nyoy mari tonya fo ntere avoka tere atinya
nde wadu mon dani Bob Touré
and then when you come to lawyer Dabo, I don't compromise.
Yeah. What more lawyer?
I will never compromise.
At Camara, what more so? Janinta will jindla na la ronka ringa kijeko boycott continues.
Yes.
So lawyer dole bijakal sama ko nyoko Musa ni wulta somanda nka fo bi malo Musa mune safel. Ngai ko ako nyoko al sabare sa ngai
and there no boycott time ila friend nafiko sabala en text la akonyoko lion akonyoko alen boycott be la ke hit kan la konya la hit kan le gele akonyo sabala ila ke ila friend
na friend
akonyoko al text of la murja akonyoko alen boycott abenda akonya ba finish kan la konya kana easy la konya la hit kan le gele wah ninga no sabala is idiot
ndenga alone andu wala ndenga fo mole ngoko Pat Camara we don't hate her. It's very simple. Ita wandi alfa ne la platform auto ya feel ko moli o jindi te ko te jila ita ina feel ko wo dingul yen murita la platform auto ko ke
exactly yeah respect exactly
we don't hate her. Ntel be duala mina Fat Camara ala television station o soto abe gambe non le employ la
yeah
you understand but ita fola ko
nata no for affair but ala network is bias ate masakunda ni UDP masakunda na iba mira for nyinta la platform so we don't need those kind of people in the society. They are the problems.
You cannot diala le de.
I know.
Yeah, allocate la anu Fat Camara is qualify pour ka okeno soto because okeno
exactly.
Ni te asoto ite manya na asoto la. Imanya la Fat Camara function keno soto la. So
and
you cannot dia.
Yeah, which is corruption. Ita ko journalist okodo ani 40 million me yatala media team.
Thank you.
You know, so it young never till Nanyadi, the Masakunda na Tanaki, the Commission, so you to Doko no. Hanyatoya, Ekatoya for the Fongola boy. You know? So that's very sad. That's why we have problem with her. We don't
Birako nae pare nate lota ya jamenya roka file la bada so munyin kolaldi.
Tell for the
no, but I follow over.
Freedom. Yes, no remember, no.
I follow for it. I go for fun. Guy,
Kin na manual of the King got a telephone, King Jovis.
Fan Camara la sinsi do kunda.
Guy, kinna manual, king card la photo, you know. Yeah, Musa, but Musa, to be honest, Gambia and Africa are Seattle Banco Camp. Ola no Banco pride anya to for Koleala, you know. Ibe in Lorda wo chelo be umunity because Lorda wo manding called.
Parata la Carola back.
This the problem. All more damalem they can fight wala. Oh, you can leader do fight. Ali Fasala be video as lead can since 1987.
No. 1978, 79.
Video as why will 1987.
Hani 70s kono.
Yeah. So if you mo ikafoko Ali Fasala G mo do sel. Ibu mo.
It's the oldest political party.
It's only UDP is the only political party me ale kafokala la leader falling because na leader munati Mandinko and they have problem with Mandinko. Nina mtonyati. Alande mo ke Dakar me nanda kaolefo.
Nobody says la wolo mu tonyati.
In fact, yeah.
Okay.
It's all about tribalism.
7, you are right.
Yeah, 87 now, yeah. 87. So Alifa party lead car since that year. Then UDP fang you UDP ma ulu follow. But when I for Alifa G.
Wallahi.
Ni party dolombe party leader so libuka mo like afo ala leader so fali.
No, but yalo
UDP right.
Man tariko long. Yalo niafo ndeka mo modol fang. Yalo Gambia, we have to learn and we have to accept Niman Fem long. You have to accept. You cannot know everything. Thank you, Uncle. Yaje, you opposition leader. Ikafoko ha womanya na folako baro man nyana tala tatam la munat na ofon man som puriate falling. François Mitterrand of France. Europe Banku Jumale Democratic to France.
Exactly.
François Mitterrand, how many years he was looking to be the president of France? A la 5th time lo manata so. 4th or 5th time lo manata so.
Yeah.
Mane.
Small brother.
Mane.
New York
City.
New York.
Fatu wayam la de.
King, look at them lo swing Congress.
They were the best lovers.
Yo.
Okay.
Mr. Sedi bumla sonal Fatu wayam la. Fatu rek lam nok. Man rek lam sonal de.
No,
pare yow sis la njuma nga yow luta ñew la na.
Like I'm a living man. Holiday.
No gay ñoo la waroon a jox pass dafa seer yow wof nga ñu jox la. UDP dañ nay nak.
Wa yo ni
la jëndal ticket ñew nak.
Suma cousin sister mu ngi on foofu dafa ma represent foofu.
Ay dégal mu ne suma cousin sister dafa ma represent. Yow looy wax ni Fada. Sa cousin sister di Gambian boo xamantene bossi Gambian yi boppam la.
Waaw fii la jógee UK fii la jógee mu dem foofu mu dem Seattle.
Yow gëmloo ma ne da ngaa ñëw dama waroon a tukki sa yow yaa tax ma fooma.
Yeah. No kin yow dara ñëw seet
sama trip bi de dégg
no yow kin dara ñëw seet especially in New York City.
Waaw loolu nga war a def na Mr. Seydi ñu ngi laa nuyu.
Thank you very much, bro. Nice. Welcome.
Yow fan nga nekk yaa ngi America ndax yaa ngi Europe.
No, mangi Europe. I'm in Ireland.
Oh, you're in Ireland. Thank you.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You know.
King. Yang is fresh for the. Yang enjoy the king. Ah, mana orang nga nekadi dawal ni.
No, li la BMW. Bek sama benn moto waay la rek dama ko kii man
suma waay mooy
man du ma nit moto
mooy
ñun rasta lañ ñun struggle lañ xam nga.
No, I know king. Loolu mooy tax ma respect la.
Moto bi moom man du ma nit moto sax laay ko moto.
King, yes, so yeah, King. Dama la bëgg a laaj benn question King. Yow loo gisee wax bi because ñun suñ parti leader bi dafa fekk ne nit yi they have problem with it. Halifa Sallah is leading since 1987, you know what I mean? But nobody complain about Halifa Sallah, the leadership have to change, PDIs, but the only party they have problem King, more UDP dafa war a wàcc yow loo gisee wax bi King.
It's very sensitive there though. But again, I'm mangi nuyu ñu fa nekk yëpp, especially audience yeeg UDP followers yi. Dëgg la UDP is a mighty party, parti bu mag la. I mean ñu leen respect yëpp nit yi lañ respect du UDP sax. Ñu bari ñu ngi dugg UDP di business gis naa leen because UDP suñ la followee xam nga following bi dafa heavy. And I believe ne xëy na deep down in the heart ku mel ni man xam nga man follow ma am benn following amuma ko suma yoon. Man luma def do change and all of that. But all I know in Gambia force more important than a party's, follow a party leader or stuff like that. Lawyer Dabo, well, man, recently, man, is a very healthy person. I mean, he talk well. I mean, he is educated, could focus, calm. I mean, mag degala, but situation. Bi ñu nekk ak Barrow su fekkee ne Lawyer Dabo mun na ma see génn man Jobis. Man ma ànd ak moom man da ngeen maa déglu bu baax. Mr Seydi bii bu ma si munee génne. Ma ànd ak moom yow boo ma si génne ndax Badama Barrow nekkut fa. Yow nekkut fa te nit yi dañ foog ne mu ngi fa. Barrow ati jee nekkut fa. So ñun problème bi lañ am. So UDP nag am nañ am nga yu bari yu nekk si biir. I mean, the divide and all of that, they are part of this Talib and the others are there. But then again, if they listen to Talib deep down, they would understand that Talib is, still very loyal to the dad. It's a pro, Dabo, and I believe that Talib neku niko amantini. That they jump out, they betray, and all of that. So let's just listen to the bigger man, that's Dabo himself.
Yes.
Whenever he's ready to hand the party to whoever. Well, it's up to the people to follow or not. But until then, man, I'm going to just have to, entitle him as the party leader and the party whatever.
Exactly. But
so winning election, that will become a president. I will be better. Man, they're not better because he will listen. I mean, again, he wouldn't see me like somebody who might have some type of agenda to to sabotage or to break down his government.
That was very democratic, yeah.
They also feel that he's been in the game for so long. Bufeke Halifa, they feel that he is tired and he should retire, and Dabo feel like he's still gonna have to move. I mean, in the former Senegalese president Wada, have hustled and have struggled a lot. At the end, he was able to at least get a couple times, and is now being given the very good feedback about his presidency. As you know, Awaji now wanted the phone very well in terms of infrastructure. Bringing money in Senegal and all of that. With all the ages and stuff that people put it in and stuff. I believe in Dabo, with the Talib and the group that you guys feel like they are intellect and they have Gambia at heart. Gambia at heart, nekune Gambia da fla defaral ker.
Yeah.
Gambia at heart, minuna Gambia da fla job free waiver. Gambia at heart, minuna da fla wara def ambassador or some type. Nañ di jema jël dëkk bi jokko ñoo xamantene seen expertise moo oote liggéey boobu nga xam ne they have asked for seen jànga dafa war a represent liggéey boobu leen te ñu nekk ñu maandu nekk doom yoo xam ne duñ doomi sàcca waaye jamono bi maay wax ak yéen yaay yaa ngi jur doomi sàcca ci Gambia bi.
Thank you.
Waaw loolu moo am pour en ku ko faa baakoo nag di foog ne is normal is not when you die sa doom mu dem ñu ne waaw dafa inherit kër boobu noonu fekk këri Gambia la. That is bad. Yo, Denga. We don't have time to live here longer. You understand? Let's leave a great mark, great foot mark, Bohamantini, Elek, Nitimunko Jel, the Wasinyo. The likes of Mandela, likes of all of those, Mabunga Wako, to be them sicko. Betenya am this Ibrahim Traore, the Niger guy. These are great people that you were a copy. Then you buy Chahan, we buy you bari. You differ in the Kabi. The Kabi am not gache man bumak, because the Kabi never could them. te bari dëkk bi nu meloon bu ma fa jóge woon ba léegi moo fa am mbalit bi taw bi
def dee delloo gannaaw sax Jobis dëkk bi
absolutely mi ngay delloo gannaaw with Barrow is delloo gannaaw because ñoom Barrow they are like bushfire Fatoumata Bah Barrow baaxul Fatoumata Bah baaxul mais yow
mooy problème bi
Fatoumata Bah nekk di sàcc bari na te ñii dañ leen believe ne léegi sax ñu leen a jéema cover because they feel that they have some landmark in the country.
Yeah.
We are all Gambian. I don't go koina judo si ala. For muntu judo Gambia soil be more important. Everything else is just something that we all built together, which is the capital. We are all from Banjul because New Banjul and Jange. It's our capital. Yamajil. For muna jel ni take off and you cover because of family and stuff. Do muna neka or partisan and shit. Let every Gambian be ready. Purunga Jema take the responsibility. Muy Sapati leader, muy whoever work there. Because cover see nothing. Let's just be real here though. Man, I don't even cover Jema side some line, some more than that when it comes to Gambia and its less of virginity or what. Today, Gambia has been taken away by this dirty ECOWAS Gelenile. xale yaa ngi foofu noonu young soldiers from outside dugg si dëkk bi di di harass suñ jigéen ñi fële ne la di def yu bon ñu leen naa si
dogumala you have brought a very sensitive issue here about this task forces léegi ñanaay nekk di fay ECOWAS where is this budget coming from
partly Gambia mooy fay ECOWAS soldiers bi ñu leen dooree di leen di sign back yaa Barrow moo leen jël di sign back moo leen di fay you understand fayuñ leen dalasi fayuñ leen CFA dollars lañ
fay waaw
US dollars Senegalese authorities yu loolu leen gis ni noonu yëpp de ñoom ñëpp yaa bay behind ECOWAS ñu ngi leen a fay dollars Fatoumata Bah Barrow mus laa gis Gambien bu nekk ginnaaw fu muntu dem ponkali njooli 3 meters ñoo koy toppa and they are all not Gambia loolu is very undone ñun who are we that we cannot take over our own seat though man mo lacc loolu leen Gambia should have been ready for themselves after ECOWAS we needed but then after man believe naa ne after 6-7 months we could have been strong enough to take over our own charge though and then get rid of all of these soldiers out of the country waaye liñ def mooy dañ leen fa bàyyi Barrow di def lu ko ne xam nga let me tell you guys one thing though everything ñun luñ bëgg a am loo bëgg a tali bi jox la ko loo bëgg a soo génnee si mbedda bi am ko waaye ñun dañ def foog ne Jobis wax ne génn na maa ngi inside violence and all that. No, I'm not. I'm just trying to tell the government that we are not your and you shouldn't be us. But again, you're job for flame.
Exactly.
They are for our own well-being and all of that. So they feel like because of the power you calling yourself, which is us, I use for touching you. Lolo you see in your
Definitely.
Again by the liante. Like don't ku nekk bu mu nekk ci lu ko neex rek comme naa ne well let me just work on that who cares about what Jewish or Lion is doing now yow gisal Gambia bi ne rek ñun suñ doom yi ëllëg ñu inherit loo xamante ne it will different men ak yow ak Lion living outside honestly loolu it should be graduated by now
honestly
we don't need it anymore you understand
we need Gambia
and let me add this to Dabo I was listening I thought ne lawyer Dabo must have had maybe grab a good chunk of Yahya Jammeh's resource. And I also you taught me Dabo also have involved in Mighty Cross when he was what he was with Barrow. Why yet Barrow munuma jox ben evidence. Man I yow munu joxul ma dara. Ay doomam la
thank you li moo tax ma laaj la nag da ngay wax dëgg
suma jigéen la suma sista la xam na ma mu ngi Atlanta faale wu ma yooyu leen yëpp waaye Barrow si boppam amul dara si Dabo su fekkee ne nag fii ba November next month next year January Barrow indilul ma benn evidence of Dabo lu mu def ak lu mu wax si biir government am billahi wallahi ay Jobis will go behind Dabo
exactly
loolu moom mun naa leen ko wax waaye until that léegi man maa ngi toog leen di xaar rek this is something that I want to pass let them also know that they are coming this is September it's about to come the responsible grouping bindoy def ci hotel bi fii over whole of a flight of Gambian to just attend this UN summit must end. Yow dëkk boobu nga nekk Ireland the representative come only 3 people ñoom ñetti tubaab they don't even need it because when you come here ñoom ñooy take charge of your security so why Adama Barrow is bringing over 60 people 40 people here for
te dañ dee smuggle nit ñi because the disaster management director bi coordinator bi Sana Dahaba musoon naa jël xaalis si benn jigéen mu ne ko dinaa la toppatoo visa su ñoo dem America UN summit ñu dugal la si plane bi nga fay ma xaalis this is a senior civil servant who is dining and wining and a sponsor of NPP Sana Dahaba te ñu ngi dégg ay scammers yii nii all these scammers that are scamming Gambian people pour ñu am visa tukki they are all associates of NPP and Barrow is aware of this so loolu moo tax xale yi génn ñu ne we want transparency and accountability léegi Barrow ministre bi moo jóg mu ne they are coming to counter
Mr. Sede doguma la nga ne Barrow is aware of all of this bi nga ko waxee Sadama tiit he doesn't know billahi aware of
okay
ada boy ban duma xam Barrow I mean he doesn't know Adama muntu binda Adama muntu Adama ñun jël yee
King Barolo, because being Barolo at New York City, King was there with them. King knows. King
No,
knows
man, don't worry,
lot.
man.
He
I
knows
know
lot.
Adama well before he was
He
a
knows lot
president. You know.
about Adam Barrow and Fatuma Barrow. King.
Okay.
Man,
Yeah.
I know
Yeah.
Fatumata Barrow when long time. Fatumata Barrow domam. Bule mata Hawaii. Suma jaha moko dan bambane. Why bule mata Hawaii fara?
Wow.
Suma
No,
koñ lañ
Wahal King. Wahal King. Expose them.
man faale wu ma lu ma wax ak lu ma nit toppee yaa ma jëli Fatoumata Bah Barrow moo téye government bi ci loo xamante ne du yoon Fatou dafa naxari deret te gars yi ñeme ñuñ ko
Dafa soxor.
te xamul lu moo def te ñëpp papa gi yaay ak maam whatever lañ ko dee ooyee and then she pretend like she know what she doing she doesn't know nothing ñu ngi ko jox nag this mantul moom moo in charge because of Barrow nekkut fa Barrow mu nga ko tëj si néeg mu nelaw 24 hours du fa jógee yaa ma jël so kooku nag naka lam laa mun a waxee lan la government nekk di daw loolu is not right yaa ma jël Yaya Jammeh bii dëgg la am ñun ñëpp a ngi koy whatever waaye billaay xam nga puup
waaw
bi Jammeh moo gën Adama Barrow I swear to my mother billahi day wallahi day Yaya Jammeh moo gën Barrow
I'm sorry because the office he is occupying, the office is a respectful office. Why Yaya Jammeh honor ko fi mune Adam Barrow mbam la.
Which is true though. Yaya Jammeh this is you know mbam la xel bi lam la wax. Barrow du mbam waaye daf laa ne xeli mbam lam amee.
Yeah.
Adama nekkut fa. Gambien ni añ leen understand loolu leen. Waaye suñu demee ba nga xamante ne man tamit amuñ dara lu ñoo choose. Lu pull and pull moo fi nekka. Knock and knock me. And then I will go behind the majority. Man majority bi moma arrangé.
Yeah.
Man activist la.
King am waaw.
Man munuma ay
King ñu la ñaan de ñëwal nga join UDP ñu
yow da ngay yàq xamadi yow.
No, I'm nga King. Yow you know you are a very conscious person. Da nga gis dëgg bi.
Nice why nañ am independent minded people tamit because so mo wax ni he is neutral but all what he said, he's talking about quality of leaders here.
Yeah.
About Dabo. And then this kind of independent-minded people, we need them, even in UDP, because they have to criticize what we cannot say. They can say it respectfully. So Lumwafi, Dabo got very good credit because every single Gambian was waiting. What corruption is he going to be involved in? Can you so? And he holds a responsible position.
I am still questioning Barrow until January 15 next year.
Exactly.
If he didn't have any or tangible evidence about Dabo's involvement in any corruption practices, man, Jobis,
yeah,
I will defend Dabo. And I will
King, trust me. There's nothing.
When I was told the fuck corrupt, wow. And I believe that guy. Man, I have respect for Rohi. I did not hate Rohi. And I will never hate Rohi. I met Rohi's husband here in New York, and I've been knowing Rohi's husband. When I saw him, say the can ham nako. Yeah, my jelly. One thing not lim involved. It's the worst corruption.
Yeah.
In the history of this country. One that garbage, whatever they call it, container in China. If you want to buy, let's say 100 pieces, then you could get it for $10.
$10.
In a wholesale form. If you want to buy one piece, probably 15. In China, nothing is expensive. Unless you want to make it expensive. The plane costs $150 something in Gambia, wherever they got it. Lulu is a kickback to the family. From my brother. Yo, Yanko, your contra Lulu conflict of interest. Lulu bounce.
Yeah.
So, Kumai Gomlone Rohi the fuck clean. Well, Yanko, yeah, fine. You why man is right.
Yeah. It's very sad. It's very, very sad because we clapped for Rohi. We promoted Rohi. We thought that, okay, such things will not happen. Okay, anyway, we are waiting for the final findings. Look, commission with the work. But it me.
Why attestation?
Yeah. We have to wait for the final.
But even Commission Banco line.
Yeah.
I am not deaf. And I was rightly looking at them. pointing and questioning. I was there listening whole night. Man duma dee nelaw lu bari.
Yeah.
Mu ne ko ne ndax xam nga kii mu ne ko xam naa ko suma lii la mu ne ndax yéen a ko jox contract bi mu ne waaw mu ne lu tax ñu ne ñun ñoo ko jox naka ngeen jëndee lii nii lañ ko jëndeele man maa ko dégg kenn waxuma man ban finding
yeah procedures King you are right the procedures
waaye yéen daal dégg
su fekkee ne we want to be truthful to ourselves
yes
su fekkee ne the procedure su fekkee ne ñi central government su ñoo def procurement def de am ju jaaj so su fekkee ne moom tamit def na loolu we have to come out and then condemn it we don't have to support it definitely lii mooy dëgga but
waaw léegi Mr Saidi man mun ngeen maa bàyyi man suma condemnation bi ma continue ko and it's okay yéen tamit mun ngeen a xaar ba commission bi ñëw with the findings and all that
exactly
you understand why ma batay money thank you and then Youngs Daba too we will praise him here because all right this now way wax ni sàcca you cannot be a thief and at the same time nga nekk a leader I Jobis I have attacked the Youngs many times I even call him out at the tribalist person anger and all of that you know why because I want to know him why suma demee ba gis ci moom dëgg moom tamit mu bugg a leadership in Gambia man ma jox ko man anduma nobody
no
I don't care who you are
independent people like
you understand man I am there with a clean person you have to be clean let's also ñun tamit ñi jël the responsibility pour ñu jéema at least copy from our neighbors who are just very ñu ngi ñëw come up with a very great ideas right why did the likes of Touré the Mali guy Doumbouya and but come on bro xoolal Sénégal xoolal Sonko man xoolal pro lu mu nekk di liggéey waaye xoolal Gambia lu ñu nekk di def every day sàcca bu rëy
billahi
est-ce que moom ñu ngi fële mbaari caga yaa ngi fa xam nga suñ foreign service bi the same thing mi ngi tilim
the same thing
waaye ñun yàlla lañ xam nga you think yàlla we pray what are you guys praying lan yoon loo leen di ñaan yàlla mu nangu yàlla du nangu yàlla nekkul Gambia right now because they got ñaan amul Mr. Saidi xam nga la na am you gotta be honest you gotta be truthful that is the right prayers there let them talk but then you make sure you
stand by yourself
dama jëli bu la kenn jël di la jugal ci yana nonsense yi you understand ci leader bu mun a ne yow naka ngaa mun a toogee nekk leader sa family wóor la aduna bi yëpp wóor la ñi jël la di la brand as a corrupt person then Barrow is not only corrupt Barrow daf dee def human sacrifice daf ko bañ man loolu is cool ñana rey police seven okay that's the ngi ni
normal mo def dee laaj
our own brother Bojang he is under a very critical condition right now.
Thank you, bro. Billahi.
How long they've been torturing him?
Billahi.
Please, that guy will just wake up from one morning and aiming to just go and kill some cops and stuff, though. I don't think that makes sense to me, though.
Definitely.
What profit, what benefit does that Bojang must have had? Pour moy muna dem di jello len di rey. Waye Gambian ba ngi tok.
Jobis. Gis nga Fetel. If target no they move, it have to be a very professional person. Could they shoot target mulalko target be the move?
Thank you.
He doesn't own any gun, and there is no record ne ki musona agenda gun. Ibrahim Aji Sankare gena fen mune koku
rebel goro la biram bobu nonu melni ku bir.
Billahi.
Man sonna Sankare dafa bir de.
No, this is a disgrace. The Barrow, I think Barrow should sack all these people because these gallant police officers that they kill, they are innocent. They are working for the country. Who killed the cops? And they are telling that Ousainou Boja, an innocent person, say them begin mune. Nyun talk. Bu li affaire begin social media. Ousainou Boja feka. Ousainou Boja munge talk. Nyom nyoko wonsa. Koku hamut lolu. Hey, no. I'm telling you.
Barrow cannot sack a minister because Barrow did not employ a minister. Barrow never employed a single minister.
Yeah.
Minister government within themselves, they sit down with the advisors and select among themselves the person that fits their cabal. That's how they
And then
employ them.
we will do the recommendation.
Adama Barrow then could they inform Nako, we have this guy, and then he should be okay. Alaji Sise, Gor Omar Faye, Yamadega, Fatumata Babaro,
Aksa
or whatever you call it, doctor, whatever. The guy
Tangara.
Dr. Wasar.
Tangara right now, I really don't have much to talk about until the commission come of it, because he's out.
Yeah,
He's out thinking that I don't know why he's out. He was out because the feeling the Amuda that relationship with some of the guys, Hamantine, they were maybe installing there due to some political interest. When you the Alakali guy to be again as again, he wasn't a digger, I believe. Why because of the international job? That's why he's not. The job that he was doing was better. Definitely involved in a lot of corruption.
You know, I respect Tangara. I respect Tangara for one thing. Tangara has seen that under his ministry, he has no respect. Nobody respects him.
Thank you.
Subordinates were coming.
Which is true though.
His subordinates were coming, attacking that honorable office, putting that office so low. Some of our ambassadors were at their embassies just to be there.
Mr. Sedi.
Nam.
The family subway be dropped now. In
Drop
the government of Yaya Barrow.
Yeah.
If he not in good time with the first lady, you will pack and leave next morning.
Yeah.
I don't know what Tangara must have done to her, or maybe they have just class for some reason. First lady, moi ko xamanteni bula laygu da nga am pour dem. Bula layge dañ la jël elek.
Yeah.
Ya ma jël.
Yeah.
Security ami do len biñ mus di nek Gambia. Ay ponkali malien sénégalais bu nek 3 meters nga dé gis ci ginaaw. Mom mo xam lu tam mu dé def yoy len. Suñ dé tukki ñoñu lañ dé andal. Because ñi amna lu ñoo noba. They are hiding.
Yeah. Obviously.
Every ministry house bogus in the Gambia. It's its own body. It's on everything. Nobody on the is here to talk about anything against them or against that particular leader or minister. To leave more for them. From health to there are many houses that would have been changed, that would have been kicked, but then they refuse because of something. The relationship. The reason why I get some at the Belegi Mufa is because of Jara. They believe in Barrow this time that I win 72% of the votes and stuff like that. So let's leave that somebody there. The likes of Sukushingati, body bullying in the Sabali, the same thing. Yeah, gaming, mom system. Fuck need mom's fofuno training. So my sister be fairly banned.
Suku nak affaire ambi ñun ñoko report Senegal because Suku is one of those people you did them Senegal the easy voters. Senegal, they are having a very serious government.
Suku mom transporter la.
La Suku, lola def Yaya Jammeh. So Barrow, hanga Suku luta mu dem NPP. Suku was a very close person to Lawyer Darboe. Baramo
not really. Not really.
Luta mu dem because Suku bu mu joge APRC UDP la ñoon. So luta mu dem. Suku was having issues with AMRC. Then you are nangu kerami.
Yeah, that's true.
No, I'm telling you. Because they twist Suku's hand and put it on his back. You have to join or we victimize you.
So, Mr. Say this, and you watch this land issue. The family young Barrow being away because Barrow was doing this local market. Land selling and all of that. They used to camp around my shopkeeper area. I know a lot of old dads, including Barrow. That was Yolo ne concern ligay. When you been into government, Ahmad Ba Akbaro, they were just attacking our reserve lands.
Yeah.
Nyom forest neka fufusa funeka nyinge attempt to hit ko. Where Jammeh left, Jammeh did not touch them. But why Nyom call Jammeh resources as an individual own? Jammeh's resources belongs to the Gambians. That is why I give the likes of Gala, and I cannot end this program without saluting them. Because me, I don't bigger lane, so to Mr. Jallo, a group and Biba.
Yeah.
These are people that we should praise, we should support, and let us not sideline ourselves because ourselves because of this pressure group. This is for a Gambia, not for any political party. Gala is just real Gambia against looted assets. That is clear there.
Clear. Ministers even they're supposed to join Gala. They're supposed to join Gala, put their money in Gala to sponsor this group to be there, because as long as they refuse to acknowledge anti-corruption commission, let Gala be the anti-corruption.
Gala, I believe, international community with Nalen support.
No, honestly,
because they're following them. They everything that we share here, it's as fast as to read, and they know we write English, we don't write French.
Yeah.
So the sponsors and our Union or allies of the West, well, they know in Gambia there's problem though. How many times that Donald Trump come some words to sonal against the current government there?
Billahi.
Trump will call him whatever.
Why? Donald Trump invite African serious government. Pe mu nge ñaan pour Ibrahima Traoré ñaan na la ñëwal suma dëkk ko bu mëna duma ñëw mu ñaan jomay dem way bu faté Adama Barrow lu xew.
Because Trump xam na ne Barrow nekkut fa. Trump American they have people that are very scientifically like high.
Yeah.
They could tell when someone is not right. Yeah. The reason why I even posted something, I don't know if you follow me or not. I posted something that I was trying to describe how I know Barrow behavior, because one of my friends is a doctor here.
Yeah.
So I was telling him about Barrow. Munima give me how he behaves. Indecisive. Daf de nelaw a lot. Eat big. And so nelawe do daf de nahare daf de easily fatte. You sit with him. You don't expect ne mom lolu mu nako fatele ko in the next 40 minutes. The bottom of Barrow
tamit su dee wax def dee agitate.
Yeah, daf de ba pare.
Yeah.
So fa jege ñe sa da nga dem sangu because dafa put la regle wut. Mr. Seydi regle why Mr. Seydi nga la yow. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Dina content trop pour follow la.
Thank you.
Bul nangu nak sa waji boole la ak Fatou Camara.
No.
Bandi la. Fatou jigéenam la. Mané sa nit ki dang ko dé gis Fodé Diaw la. Yeah.
E ñaa ko gis de. Mo xam nga
mo ngolé mu kurum.
Wow, behind keyboard rek.
Koku mo gëna nek bandi. Thank you.
Yeah, I know.
God bless. Bye-bye.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
You've given life to the show. It was a great show, and we definitely enjoy your company. And thank you. You are an experienced person, and we love such kind of people, independent-minded people, because UDP is not a perfect political party. We have our issues, we have mistakes, we have people there who did mistakes. Even though if we see that, okay, they have done something wrong, if we cannot speak it openly, we have to invite the open-minded people to speak, because this is all, and it's all about Gambia. We see that you are an independent person, perhaps PDOIS, you can send in and join. This is an open platform. We tolerate everything. It's only that we don't tolerate insults. You can say whatever you say. We know that it is going to be your own responsibility. So you are welcome. If you think that, okay, UDP is not the solution or somebody else is the solution, you are kindly welcome. We are brothers. At the end, what we see is the Gambia for everyone. So we are not here to argue or to fight. What King Joby said about Lord Mayor Rohey Malick Lowe, he spoke his mind, and we have said to him, okay, we are waiting until the commission findings finish. The way the procedures are done in procurement, we have seen something that is wrong. We cannot say that Rohey has a personal interest in it. That one we cannot speak about that. But if something is wrong, wrong is wrong. We are trying to talk to Gambians to tell them UDP is a party of everybody. UDP is a party of transparency and accountability. UDP is a no-go area for corruption. So when somebody among us is saying that, okay, somebody is kind of corrupt in your political party, yes, it is hard to hear, but we have to leave the independent-minded people as well to speak their mind, as long as they don't insult. Yes. So Nicola Bass, you can join in. You can definitely send in requests. We will allow you to join and then say what you want to say and why you think that UDP and NPP is the same. This is a very unfair statement, Nicola Bass. This is a very unfair statement. UDP is not NPP. UDP government was never in that country. UDP had 3 state ministers. Only 3 state ministers. And among these ministers, nobody was found guilty of being corrupt. None of them. So we have to be, at least we have to be straightforward people. And I believe you are a God-fearing person. So that's it. Yeah, Nkana. Okay.
Musa,
Yeah.
yeah, warung ibu boleh kontong, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, bagaimana?
Program unyi rapu fango.
Yeah.
But
Problem tak. Thanks, man.
thank you very much for your coming. And
Yeah.
Kinjobis Fanamba, Tankla Bake is a brother.
No, King kan ada kan, you know.
You
He's
love
yeah.
come and then he experience on Beti on this social media and then
Struggle kono kata je ba kala.
So,
Still.
love I nanang as
Yeah.
his younger brother. I am guide.
Mm.
And then we will let him speak whatever he wants to speak because as long as Abuka Moneng King Jovis is a real patriotic.
Yeah, bukan Andrika, yeah.
He loves the country. And okay, Nicola Baz, I understand you are driving, but it's not a problem. Maybe next time, please do join.
Go, Musa, ana wasi la buku asal I'm driving. Mo
Ah,
driving.
laptop.
Yakas.
Direct.
Ni mo sifal beje ni meli ni mo sifal la hali ila musoli ebule kama la UDP la. So, you know, sifal bo.
I will tell him, he's a brother.
You know.
One change in that country. I feel Nicola Baz Fanang, he will have a feeling that is Gambia, the way Gambia is going, he would like a change. So the only thing is, who is closer to give change? It's UDP. Nicola Baz, come and have discussion. Discuss with UDP. Bring your doubts. Let us clear your doubts for you. Even if it what us call executive for connect whatever is your doubt, you can speak it. You don't trust UDP to become a government. Because UDP, but look at these charismatic leaders. The lives of Hussein Udabo.
These people there.
UDP you can count. Take an example of the council. Now, Yakuba Dabo, over how many hundreds of people he paid for scholarship? Okay, Nicola Baz sent a request. Taliban Suda, how many scholarship did he give? Talib gave here 20 million to youth entrepreneurs. Those youth entrepreneurs now they are even employing other youths. You know. So Sister, Nicola Baz loves to join Lalenak. He's at Kane. I join. Then he can also come and then speak. We know maybe some of the people in UDP might not like his comment, but he's an independent person.
So now that I'm on the UDP more than it's all good. You know,
Nicola Baz
he's free to come and criticize UDP. That's normal, you know. Yeah.
My good friend also, Babgar Bahum, if you are watching, send in requests.
No, platforms here.
No, but it's not more of it. No more, but I advise and guy go Nendiro today. Ila politico. Kana aluneng. Yalong ala atefala ala dad banta nga program okaja nga dad la sango kondong. Duatae, nkai ko kana and wande alfalne. You see, last time Wali Ginioko ya offendle ya Bama mimbanta ya saki. You spoke something bad about Wali. You see, few days ita fana na alpha banda, but Wali never Wali teta alpha sakila. Wali be duale la alpha. You see, so
iko hani jao ibuka saya dua ibuka saya mbele kuna no yeah
saya dua
mbele kuna menta baila kan yeah.
No,
yeah, but again, later, Condela Mule Badunga Musa.
Okay.
Thank you very
No,
much.
all back.
All time, you know?
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thank you, sister. Nicola, I want definitely Puri join Nunak. I'm trying. Telephone is trying to add you. Male be Muntolto. Where are you? Koriman Trakia. Love is Samateolia. Febe Jara level lamp Coteolia. Be add candidate. Ni arrebe jara leve sella yiro le santo pour yesuti sam filo. Well, I decline le. Okay, Nicola Baz, I think maybe we will make it another time. So ngal tentu ngal jay. Congratulations, Chairman Yankuba Dabo, ala motobal futata na motobal mili alonko they're going to serve the people of West Coast Yankuba Dabo Benila Council mbal tentula bake the good job that albe minkeka. So Gambian call wala na party leader afale ako na lafta UDP mansa kundala kolulonna ali na local government olu jube what they are doing. This our local government, they are not local government minuli alonko ni UDP campaign o kanai kela kodo dunije. No, they are serving the people. Kodo nyi ka murundi wo molle kan. Albebe commission olu jube kan. Muna na sa geology ye over 33 million o mindi no silfo sonkala. Muna na geology madi Yankuba Dabola. I mantra ka di Yankubala. I balanta ka subvention o jo Yankubaya. I balanta ka jo Talibia. I balanta ka jo Landia. I balanta ka jo Rohia. So geology felendi kote ke manso na ka kodo di nyila. Anu hansa geology ibela doko ke bar central government malaf nyinule doko ke. Bar nyinul ba kataka. Alkal namun dingolu minul jo. They are doing their best for you. This is what UDP is all about. So ala baraka bagi ngal tentu ngal jay. Diaspora viva. Lamin jay. This is UDP. Don't lie, don't steal. Thank you very much, Mustafa Suso. Don't lie, don't steal is the new slogan for all UDP people. You know, mu slogan o dembe yang kuba tentula la new slogan kendo mi fana asambana mba tentula bagi. So mo
ni be adaki. Itu tenyu, ada solusi. Iftar sa ko mo fajja. Tabwa sala.